Alright, so we're going to look more into social media stocks, starting with Facebook. And before I get deeper into this, I want to put out a quick disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing this video for educational purposes, so if you decide to invest, trade, whatever you do it at your own risk. We're just sharing some information. So, what's going on with Facebook? I haven't checked this stock out in a minute. Ooh, dang, it made a huge gap. So it jumped up to the high, real high, and broke a structure. It's just kind of doing its own thing, making a new high. So the question is it going up or down? So this candle here would say that it's dropping, but I need more confirmation at this point, because they have been doing a bit too well at this point, which is clear here with this gap. I see it as it's getting a lot of buy pressure, and I want to see if, yeah, it's on the trend, nice trend. I should probably clear all this stuff. I honestly should just clear everything. Move drawings, make it easier to see. Okay. But if anything, it may not retrace much, but it is a good spot. But the way I see it, it could probably retrace a bit to that line. Possibilities. But that's all I see. That's the theory here. Snapchat. But even still, check out the business, see how it's doing. Honestly, you probably won't even have to investigate much, because Facebook is a good business. It has plenty of ways to make money and expand. And looking at Snapchat, whoa, it looks more like it's just going to just keep dropping to me. Let's remove this guy here, just so I can kind of see. The last video, we definitely said it was going to drop, and I wanted it to go to about $8. And it's, to me, that's definitely how I view it. I mean, it's going to take its time going back down, but you have to kind of see how much. Maybe 8. It would be nice to see 13 again, but it's still definitely getting some pressures, because it does have a lot of users right now with this pandemic. So it's still, you can get in if you want to, but to me, I see potential for it to keep going down lower, and so cheaper price. So we're going to look at Pinterest. I'm curious if there's a TikTok stock at this point. I wonder what I've never really looked into it. I know TikTok is popular, but ooh, we had that one bouncing off a trend, and it just spiked super high. They said there was a report like last week stating that they started getting a huge amount of additional users. So I don't know how many users signed up for Pinterest, but it made a huge impact, and it increased their stock. So good news like that helped. As far as it retracing, it's really hard to say. at the moment with all the pressure that's going on. So it's more like, if it happens, it happens. But it is a great stock to own, and it's at $35 right now. So better than buying something at $100. So it's your thoughts. Do the research, check out the business more and all the news, and just kind of figure out if this is something that works for you. But that's the top 3. Let's check out Twitter too. It's looking like it's going to drop too. Jesus. So, based on what I see, if it goes down to 28, that'd be good. It's a discount. That's the way I look at it. At the moment, it's only at 36. It could rise. It seems like more and more people are starting to swap to Twitter too. So I would pay attention, kind of do some research on the users or something like that. Just check on the overall performance and news events that are out. And it'll basically tell you, help you make your decision as far as, do you want to get this now? But now you know it's only $36.79 at the moment. So it's not bad. So let's see if there's a TikTok. No? So it's a definite no for that, but at the same time there are talks of Microsoft making a purchase of it for TikTok. They're working on a deal. So if Microsoft buys TikTok, then it's just gonna boost Microsoft stock. So that's something else to look into. So if you want to look into Microsoft, we'll check the price there. $212. I'd like to see it go cheaper, but who knows? There's a lot of good business happening for this at the moment. But now you know what to kind of expect at the moment as far as these stocks goes. So, what's your opinion? Feel free to share your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and feel free to subscribe if you'd like to see more content just like this.